Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Pam and I do lots of DIYs and random videos. So today what I'm going to do, I just want to retwist my hair, but I don't want to wash it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. And I was rained on yesterday, not really, the day before, and I also swam yesterday, so my hair is still kind of wet. It's damp. Is it damp? It is wetish, and if it was not like wet, I would use like a spray bottle with water to just spray my hair first, and then since my hair is like wet, not wet, like wetish, damp, I'm just going to go in with some, this is coconut oil. I'll just put it in my hair, massage properly, yes, for some shine, and just to make sure that my scalp is not dry. Yes, and I just have my nice and lovely gel, manzeiki too. Yes. I have my nice and lovely gel. I am not going to use it to retouch my hair. I'm just going to use it maybe to lay my edges at the front, but I won't need it as much. Yes, so that is me doing my retwist on a budget. See, we do this. It has been like 5 minutes and this is what I have been able to do. This section. So right now is, let me show you, it is 6:46. So I want to do it and leave the front section so that you can also time how much time it takes. Yeah? Yes. So it is 6:46 now. Yes. Let's do this. So I have done this side. I've left these ones intentionally so that I show you how I did the other ones. Yes, and guess it's, it is 7:09. Yeah, and I've done like my whole head. Yes. As you can see, I've not even used the gel and it just looks decent. Yep. I'm done. I'm done. Yup. Finishing. Oops. Oh god, yeah. Just like that. And I'm done. So that is how I do my retouch on a budget. So you don't need a lot of money, a lot of products, a lot of time. And I'm shining. Yay. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye guys.